Hi, I'm Mike Parker. I'm the owner of Master Pro. And out of love for our amazing clients, our awesome team, and this great community all of us are part of, we want to let you know what we're doing in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. That way we can do our part to keep everybody safe, healthy, and also hopefully achieve some level of normalcy amongst all this craziness. We really hope that everyone in this community does their part so that we are all coming together and helping each other get through these unprecedented times. So starting right now, we are going to be changing our service level for as long as this crisis is going on to be exterior only. That way we can maximize our social distancing efforts. We're actually shooting for a zero contact service with everyone, at least a zero physical contact. What that means is all of our quotes are only going out by email. Our payments we're asking everyone to do by credit card or debit card, either over the phone or through our online payment system. And then all of our communications are going to be digital. We'll text you when we're on our way. We'll text you when we're getting started so you're not surprised to see us outside. And then after the service, we'll also text you to let you know we finished. That way we don't even have to knock on your door. If you need to communicate with us while we're on the job, texting and phone calls are going to work great. We're also doing our part to make sure our team is healthy. We're checking in with them constantly, making sure that they don't have any symptoms or they're not feeling ill in any way. And we're even doing daily temperature checks. If it's elevated, we're not going to risk it. We'll ask them to go home, rest, take some sick leave. In fact, your admin staff is already working from home so that they can maximize their social distance right now. We're also going through and making sure that all of our high-touch surfaces like door handles, steering wheels, phones, tablets are always being cleaned and sanitized throughout the day. Now we do ask that you do your part too, so if anybody in your family or if you are feeling ill or think you've got some symptoms, or if you've been around somebody who's traveled through a high-risk area or has likely been exposed to the virus, please let us know before your appointment. We're going to get you back on the schedule as soon as you're feeling healthy. That way we keep our people as safe as possible. Now as far as the service goes itself, when we arrive on site, we're going to get out of the truck and put on disposable gloves, and they're going on to thoroughly washed hands. We're also not reusing any of our towels between jobs. Each towel is going to be freshly laundered that we use at your home, and all those towels at the end of the job are put into a special receptacle that won't be, or where those towels will remain until they can be properly laundered and then put back into circulation. We're also taking precautions with our cleaning solution. In fact, it's something we've been doing for years now. We don't have buckets of solution that we travel around with all day. In fact, we use a bottle of fresh water and another separate bottle of soap and apply those as needed to our cleaning equipment so that we're constantly flushing out that equipment and always have a fresh source of cleaning solution throughout the whole job. Then after the job is done, all of our hand tools get put in a sanitizing solution and they soak in there. And they stay there until we rinse them out so that they can be used at the next job. Now, as far as our other services go, like roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, screen repair, those are all outside and don't require any real direct contact with highly touched surfaces. So those are going to go or continue being done as usual. We're also going to be activating our exterior washing services a little sooner than normal, de-winterizing our equipment, because the pump systems and power washing equipment that we use is designed to spray a cleaning and sanitizing solution. So we're hoping to implement those tools out in the community in general, hopefully helping in public areas, getting things washed down like playground equipment, outdoor toys, picnic tables and benches, and helping the community recover as soon as possible. So thank you so much for doing your part and helping us to keep everybody clean, safe, and healthy.